I love the temple and my Cambodian people.
I like Cambodia country. A lot of mess to clear.
Unexploded ordnance.
Explosive.
Mortally wounded.
Killing people. About 20% of everything shot, fired, and dropped from a plane doesn't work.
Nhiều mà lấy sọc mai trán cô vớt hay nhóm trong ấy nhiều tiếng nó miền trên nạp ram màu mờ âm pi bờ vớt xa sừng kriêm khmer cứ dương nấu sal cướp miền trên trán liền cướp.
The minefields in Cambodia are known. The government has identified those minefields over the last 20 years. It's land that was in every sense of the word killing people before. And when we leave, we can turn this land back into productive use. We give land back to people.
ការដែលខ្ញុំធ្វើការដោះមីនមុនដំបូងឧបករណ៍ឆ្នៃដោយខ្លួនឯងប៉ុន្តែសំណាងល្អដែលខ្ញុំអត់ដែលគ្រោះថ្នាក់ហើយមិត្តភ័ក្តិស្លាប់របួសច្រើន
Careful this. If you pressure, blow up.
ខ្ញុំគិតថាសុវត្ថិភាពគឺធានាល្អប្រសើរចាប់ពីពេលនេះទៅ
After remove landmine, we can build a school, and then the children can get education for their futures. It makes me very happy. I never want to quit.
clearing landmine every day
One mine, one life.
step by step
We clear the path.
to our people.
That's the sustainability.
Will happen.
We'll find the funding somewhere. We just have to find where it is.